Hi, wonderful leading edge students. So I know today we had to go through the directions pretty quickly on how to post your work to the best writing pieces. So I wanted to take a little bit of time now to go over the directions again, just in case you needed a refresher. So what you're going to do is when you're on the Immigration Unit Student Work Portfolio page, you're going to click on Best Writing Pieces. And look at all these wonderful pieces right here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up here where it says New Page, and you're going to want to add a new page. So as long as you're signed into Natomas Charter, your account, you should be just fine. So the name of your page should be your first and last name. So I'll go ahead and restart mine, Carrie Z. And you want to make sure before you move on that you click this button right here, because if you don't, then it's going to put it at the top and it's going to look a little weird. So make sure, double check that you did that, and then you would hit this button, Create. Now I'm not going to hit Create because I've already started my page, so I'm going to hit Cancel, but you would hit Create. Then over here, I'm going to bring up my page. Look at all these wonderful, wow. So you're going to go ahead and your piece, as soon as you hit Create, it's going to come up like this. Now it should already be in edit mode, but in case it's not, you're going to want to go up to the top of the screen, and this little pencil right here means you're editing the page. Now before you put your piece in, what you're going to do is type what it is, the reason that you picked the piece, what it's about, a little explanation. So for me, I have a huge theme of immigration is having empathy for other people who come to the United States for a better life. So that's the big message, right? And then a little bit more about how life is. And then the writing piece I selected was my Define American text. This prompt was interesting to me, and I like that I got to be creative while also writing something meaningful. And then I put a little message. I hope you enjoy it. Be as creative with this as you want. The point is to kind of set people up for what it is they're about to read. So if you wrote your essay, if you're doing your poem interpretation and you did it with a partner, you should probably talk about who you wrote it with, but then also how much of the work you did and why you're proud of the work you did. So then once you have this written in, you are going to come up, so let me put this in edit mode. There we go. So it's got it right here. Then what you're going to do is go up to Insert, okay? And you're going to go over to Document right here, and you're going to insert your doc. So it'll come up with all of your Google Docs. Wow, look at all the ones I have. And you're going to select the one that you want. So I picked my Define American. These are all of the ones I have access to because, haha, I have access to all your work. But I already put mine in. You would select your piece that you want to do. So you'd go scrolling through. If you needed to find it, you guys know how to do that. Once you find it, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to push Select. Okay? So once you push Select, it's going to come up like this. So then when you hit Save, ta-da, your page should look just like mine. So at that point, I want to talk about a couple more things that I don't know if I got a chance to talk about in class. So over here, you should have the name of your piece. Now, I know some of you guys have funny titles like Immigration Thing, or my favorite is Untitled. Please open your document and make sure that the title of it is something that you're proud of, something you like, okay? Please make sure it sounds professional because this is reflecting your work. So then once you have it, I did Define American because that's the assignment. I don't want to have my name on here because, again, this is being published to the world, well, Natomas Charter world anyway. So if you have your name up in the corner because you're doing the MLA thing, that's great, but just delete it to make sure it's not in the piece now, okay? Now, once you have it deleted, what you're going to want to do is go up to Share, okay? And most likely here, yours says that it's private, okay? So what you're going to want to do is hit Change. And you want to make sure, you probably don't want the whole world to see it. You probably just want people who have the link, so people who are looking at this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this one, and then you're going to go down to Save. And then Done. Okay? So once it's like that, what's going to happen is it's going to change your piece so that everybody can read your writing. So then you're going to go like this, and your piece should be all set and ready to go. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys out. When you know you're done, what's going to happen is you're going to go back to here, your best writing pieces site, and you'll notice that it's going to be on the subpage listing under best writing pieces. So if your name's up here, probably need to fix that. If for some reason you just kind of stuck it down here, maybe check and make sure it's not like that. You also, if you're over here, maybe just go back and edit and make sure it's set underneath the best writing pieces. Okay, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.